All right, if you were here yesterday, you saw the Good Housekeeping 2022 Live Life Beautifully planner, and I contrasted that against their 2021 version. And then while I was on there purchasing stuff, I noticed they have a 2022 prevention planner. I don't know what this is about. I don't even know what it prevents. I just remember being a kid and seeing I was like, oh, the prevention magazine. I think that's for old people. I don't know. But now that I'm an old person, I thought, well, maybe I should get it. It looks good. Plus, they make beautiful planners. They're beautiful and pretty. And this is the same thing as the Good Housekeeping 2022 dated one. It has a cardstock. It has an O coil. Everything just looks great. Remember, if you want to create your own planner, sign up for my free course, Planner 101, and we will make a planner together. I also have templates for sale. Let me know if you want me to make a prevention planner. I love these. I just love this brand. Okay, so we have the 2021 at a glance, we have 2023, and then we have 2022 a bit larger. So I love that format. I've never seen it done like that. I think it's genius. And we have build healthy habits now. So I like this approach, the prevention word, the wellness word. It's a little bit softer than the lose 20 pounds in 20 minutes, right? So that's kind of how I feel about any diet program. I think they're just unrealistically unbelievable and harsh. Anyways, so 60-second health boosters. So it looks just like I love a magazine. And so here's the thing that I don't like. I've always told you guys never to use photos in a planner. However, these are really nice pages. These are regular pages. It doesn't look as bad as I thought it would. I think magazine pages look better. However, they're impossible to write on. So you need more of a regular piece of paper, if that makes sense, with some texture versus a magazine page, which photos do look better on it. But I've accepted the fact that this is all magazine style, and it is not at all in a glossy paper kind of format. So winter is about nutrition, plant-based eating challenge. Oh, so they want you to be vegetarian. Is it vegan or vegetarian? Let's see. Do we have, maybe it's vegan. Go nuts. Here we go. We have January 2-page spread. We have a to-do, declutter your inbox. Try waking up an hour earlier. Write a thank you note. Schedule an appointment you missed in 2021. I mean, how many appointments did I miss? Who even knows? Plan a winter getaway, cook a cozy meal. And then we have that hideous 6. I don't know why I have, like I said this yesterday, I have this irrational dislike of this weekly blocky layout. I just find it useless. However, you'll notice that this one has lines, and the one from their planner, oh, this one has lines too. Just kidding. I was going to say it's totally different, but this one has the weeks at the top. And this one, it looks like does not. It just jumps right in there. Do you see that difference? I do like this a little better. But this is a different style. It's okay. It's okay. Let's not go too hard on this. Nut butters. I do love nut butters. I think everyone should try them. I don't know if you like them, but at least try them out. Let's see. Nut Zero is my favorite brand, in case you're wondering. Beat gas and bloating. Here we go. Enjoy a plant-based breakfast. Understand sugar's impact. Yeah, pretty much everyone hates meat, sugar, and carbs, and flour. That's if you could just get rid of all of those, it sounds like we'd all be super healthy. Try time-restricted eating, intermittent fasting. That sounds like a nightmare. I can confirm that intermittent fasting does not work for me. I get so obsessed about it, and that's because if you've read Gretchen, I can't remember her last name, The 4 Tendencies, I'm a rebel. So as soon as you tell me I can't do something, I obsess over it. And so that's what happened with intermittent fasting is I actually gained 15 pounds because I was just oh my God, thank God I can eat. The intermittent fasting period is over. And then I just obsessed about it the whole time. It was I was stocking up because I was so worried. I don't know. I know that's not the way to do it, but it just didn't work like that for me. All right, let's keep moving on. I will stop commenting so much. February. Oh, let me comment on this one. Supplements. I don't take a single supplement, and I used to be a fitness competitor, and so for a year, I took all these supplements. It was awful. My stomach hurt all the time. And the next year I didn't take a single supplement, and I can confirm I got the same exact results. Nothing different happened except I saved money and I saved my stomach from having to eat all those pills. Hangry, see? Hungrier and angry. That's what I was. I was hangry the whole time I did intermittent fasting. And I don't know, my friend Molly loves intermittent fasting, and she's super thin and gorgeous. And so I think it does work for some people. Treat yourself sweetly. Dark chocolate. I'm a milk chocolate girl. I know everyone talks about how great dark chocolate is, but I'm like, if it has to be dark, I don't even want it. Seriously, I'll just skip it. Grapefruit. Ooh. Those are hard to eat. I actually don't eat grape. I like tons of other citrusy products. I think I'm okay without doing that. Use a clock to lose weight. Okay. Match your eating schedule to your internal clock may help you attain a healthy weight. Okay, so this was not useful. I think these random statements without any direction are kind of like, okay, what we know, subjects exposed to early morning rays were more physically active and had lower BMIs than those exposed to the sun in the afternoon. Okay. I don't know that that's like empirically true. Okay. Avoid eating late at night. So this is just kind of like generic advice. Longer days. That is true. That's really the only thing I really like about summer is that the days are longer. So you feel like you're being more productive and you can get more things done. At least I do, because I just like when there's sun. I like sunshine. Exercise, pump up your next walk, perfect your posture. Don't worry, I'll go through all the pages so you can see everything inside. And then we have a nice monthly 2-page spread. So it looks like they give you something new each month to try to do. Boost your bone strength, exercise, 30-minute walk. Okay, so I was wrong. So when they give this random piece of advice, they do try to give you some context. So I should be a little less harsh. I know you're probably used to it, right? Like my harsh criticism. Wear the right shoes and boost your balance. If anyone has a Fleet Feet in their town, they're amazing. Like they'll watch you running or jumping, and then they'll guess if you're overpronated or how your foot placement is, and then suggest a shoe brand with the right cushioning for that. So I highly recommend going to one, and it's free. You don't have to pay for that. Find relief from muscle cramps. Get a handle on heat rash. I don't exercise outside, so that would never happen to me. I need air conditioning and a mirror. I really very much like working out indoors. And here we go to July. So we're almost halfway through. Chill out, declutter and donate, feed your brain, take a screen break. We go into August. Find peace, boost your mood, go out and garden. There's the gardening again. Meditate for your heart. I was saying like on the other one, there was this whole section on gardening, and I was like, what is gardening? Monotasking. I love that term. I don't think I've ever seen anyone write monotask. I see don't multitask, but I've never seen monotask. This is my new word for 2022, monotasking. All right. Sleep away stress, get a grip on anxiety, eat foods that fight stress. And fall, it's all about your vitality. Oh, it's my favorite season. It's fall. I don't care what they say. I think it's a great idea because it's fall. All right. Hydration, count your coffee and tea. Look at your pee. Make a note of what works. Sports drinks. Thangry. Oh, I've never heard thangry. Thangry is the new hangry. What? Today's goal is to check your mood alongside your hydration status. And the term thangry hasn't caught on the same way because, I haven't heard it. More often than not, if you're feeling a little bit irritable, if you're feeling cravings, if you're feeling brain fog, if you're feeling low energy, it's hydration. Okay. I guess it still hasn't told me what thangry is. I guess it's hydration. The word TH doesn't make any sense to me, but maybe someone can explain that to me in the comments if you know what thangry means. Take a nap to stay sharp, minimize your dementia. I think this is awful advice. Like a lot of people work 9 to 5. You have shift work. I mean, we're not in a country where it is acceptable to take naps ever in the afternoon during the workday. I mean, thank you for nothing. Let's see. Improve your complexion. Eat for a long life. check off your checkup. We have November, which is my favorite season. Flu shots, keep moving. I'm surprised it didn't say anything about COVID. Use some nutmeg, mind your metabolism, and my favorite month of the entire year, December, focus on your eyes. Here we go. Sip a cup of tea. Try not to Google it. What? Try not to. I Google everything. Won't budge from the tip of your tongue. Oh, this is so true. Oh my gosh. So Ben will probably hate me for telling this, but every time we watch a movie, Ben will actually pause it just to Google the actor and look up their net worth. It like, I'm like, what are you doing? We're never going to make it through this movie. Digital amnesia, forgetting information because you trust a computerized device to remember it for you. And, oh, this is a different reason. I think it's because it wastes time, but this is trying to tell you to memorize things more and recall them instead of using Google, which, I actually don't agree with because I feel like your brain can only handle so much short-term memory. There's no use cluttering it with extra things. Focus on joy, live longer and better. I'm sure you guys are like, we did not come here for your advice, Lisa. We just wanted to see the inside of this planner. All right. If you like this year's planner, keep a lookout for the next year's edition with all new tips and hacks to stay healthy. Prevention, stretch yourself healthy. Fill your plate, lose the weight. Best of yoga. I don't know. I didn't see these. I will look for these. If these are out there, I will get them. We will walk through them together. Just know you might have to put this video on silent so you don't have to hear my commentary. All right, if you would like to create your own beautiful planner, then make sure to sign up for my free course, Planner 101. And I hope everyone's having a fabulous day, and I will talk to you later.